Hello beautiful people, I am so sorry that this video is late. I know I was supposed to give you a video on Friday and it is Monday. Please forgive me, I apologize, but that's okay. I am back. If you are returning, welcome back. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you put on that bell so you know when I make a new video. So last week I showed you guys my trial box from Focallure, my trial BabeBox. This week I'm going to show you my first box that I actually paid for. Now, the thing about this box is that I'm actually going to sell it. Not sell all the products, like sell like some of the stuff in it that I'm going to show you, because I don't need all of it. So I'm going to show you what it came with and what's in it. I'm not going to open any of it because, like I said, I'm going to sell some of it. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the box that it came in. It's just like the other box, nothing fancy or special. It says, "Hey babe, I'm finally home," like the other box. Now, just so you know, I canceled the subscription, so I won't be getting any more boxes because they disappointed me. They took very long to send me these boxes. Ooh, sorry. I should have gotten the trial box before I got in. Before I got in. I can't even speak. Long day. It's Monday. I got the trial box, but the same time that I got this box, which should not have happened. I should have gotten the trial box first, but that's neither here nor there. So it's whatever. I canceled it. I'm done with them. But they did send some good products. So let's see. Alright, so first up is a Collagen Crystal Eye Mask. Now, I don't really use eye masks. I don't really use eye masks, so I'm probably gonna sell this or give it away or something because I don't really use it. Like, I don't have eye bags. I mean, I do, but they're not like, you can't even see it. They're not as visible as other people have it, so it wouldn't be really any use to me. So you want to look out for it. We also have their mascara. I have a lot of mascara, so that's why I'm not going to keep this one. It says Bomb Lashes, so I'm hoping that it's good. I'm going to open it to show you guys. I'm not going to put it on because I'm not keeping it, but I'm going to show you. I don't want to break it. Oh, God. I hate when the boxes are so hard to open. Like, it should not be this difficult. Like, they seriously, like, tape this thing down. Like, why is it so hard? I really didn't want to tear the box. I'm gonna have to tape it down because wow. Alright, so this is the lashes, the mascara. That's the bristle that it uses. So I guess it must be, hopefully it's good. Mascara doesn't really usually disappoint me. I mean, if you have little eyelashes like me, it works. Any mascara works. Alright, let's see what else we got. We have Magic Eyeliner and Seal Eyeliner. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna look at it. Another one that's hard to open. Alright. Oh, it's 2-sided. Alright. Oh, damn it. I don't want to open the package because I'm not gonna keep it. But this is the eyeliner and seal eyeliner, sorry. So this is how it looks. I guess first eyeliner, use the eyeliner, then I guess it's to seal it. I'm sorry guys. I would show you how it works, but I don't want to use it then. If I'm gonna, there's no point in selling it if I'm gonna use it. So, but if you've used something like that before, then you know how it works. This is an eyeshadow palette from them. It has 11 matte shades and 3 metallic. I do want to open it to show you guys the colors that it has, so I will do that. They really package these things like really well. It's kind of annoying, but I guess it's kind of good because then it's hard to get lost, I guess, but it's also very hard to open. I'll be right back once I open it. Alright, so I finally got it open, the eyeshadow palette. Unfortunately, it got a little messed up. I'm very upset that it got messed up. But this is the palette. Like, don't worry, I did not use it at all. Where did the brush go? It comes with a little brush. I'm like all over the place right now. So this is the colors. One of the colors got a bit messed up. I guess when it was in packaging, it got messed up. So that's that. And then the last thing Alright, so the last thing is the Bright White Teeth Whitening Pen. This one I'm actually going to keep for myself because I actually want to see how it works. So this is how it looks. I actually have to read up on it to actually use it. When I do use it, I will let you know if it actually works. So yeah. So I will let you know which products that I will be selling below, don't you worry, if you're interested in buying them. If not, I hope you enjoyed watching. Sorry that it took so long for me to get the box open. Sorry that the eyeshadow palette got messed up, but like I said, I didn't use it. It got messed up in the packaging. If you want to give Focallure a chance, go ahead. I mean, the stuff is pretty good. I just won't because they took a very long time to send my stuff. But, I mean, if you've had a good experience with them, if you have a good experience with them, I would say keep trying them. I mean, their products are really good. So, yeah. So, I will see you Friday. I promise, don't you worry. I will have a video for you next Friday. Bye.